Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Chrysler Town Country. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like fully automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, removable floor console, and a blind spot monitoring system. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.